says it's Lou. I'm finally doing my super long awaited updated room tour, which I've been meaning to do for like a year now, but whatever. I feel like it's a good point in time to showcase my bedroom again anyway, because it's like a bit less cluttered and more organized than it was last time, which is like a good reflection of the spiritual growth and development I've experienced internally recently. So there's that, and there's me, and let's get started. So first of all, we have my door, which I recently painted pink and then smashed my face into and ripped a bit of the paint, but we're just going to pretend that didn't happen, and move right along to my cupboard full of secrets, where the posters are still the same as last time. My Little Pony, Disney Princesses, and Powerpuff Girls, of course. Then I have my Betty Boop bag, which is basically like a lucky dip. You never know what you're going to get. Bubbles. And then I have my Peppa Pig bag, which is just full of scrapbooking stuff. Okay, the next, get excited, is my wardrobe. Oh my god, I love my wardrobe. I might do wardrobe tour if you want. I feel like my wardrobe has sort of grown with me as a person recently. Like, I love to look a bit more elegant and expensive, more of an it girl, Hollywood, red carpet, but like she got ready for the red carpet in the Target kids aisle. You know what I mean? Is that an aesthetic? I mean, that's my aesthetic, but like, yeah. I love what I wear, I love my stuff, I love my wardrobe. Then I have some of my favorite shoes on display up the top. And my Kath and Kim bag, obviously, who doesn't have a Kath and Kim bag? And then I have my Powerpuff Girls statues, which I recently found and got out of storage. They were tucked away in the chambers of hell. And then underneath all my clothes is where the rest of my shoes live, apart from like my work shoes and my exercise workout shoes and stuff. Also, I have my stash of barbecue shapes in there, but don't tell anyone. That's our secret, okay? Don't tell anyone. Then next to my wardrobe, I have my cube shelves where I have my big Powerpuff Girl print hanging where I used to have a mirror, but you can still kind of see me. And I just love these shelves, and they're actually organized for once in my whole life, so hopefully they stay that way. On the top of the shelf, I just have some of my favorite Dora dolls from when I was younger, and I have my Powerpuff Girl Rainbow Dazzlers, which I'm missing Buttercup. And then on the shelves, I have some Hello Kitties. I have a jewelry box from my granny that I got at the Debs, some spiritual stuff and crystals, my beautiful perfume collection. Oh my god, I smell the best. Some Powerpuff Girl figures, and then another shelf with some beautiful friends, my dog from my first job, and some shoes. Okay, then we go this way. I have some bags full of makeup, my big heat up novel for when it gets cold, my beautiful curtains, and my iPad atop of its literal throne. Oh my god, I love my iPad. Best thing for drawing in the whole world. Would totally recommend. Then I have the first of my huge big bookcases, which have my favorite stuff in the world. At the top I have my prized possessions, my Atomic Betty dolls from when I was little, which I was smart enough not to open. Some of my toddler Disney princess dolls, and then down the side I have this whole thing of bows, and I just want to clarify, not a single one is a JoJo Siwa bow. Don't get it twisted. I paid $2 per bow from Kmart, not 15 each, sister. So on the shelf I have some light up pillow pets, Blossom from when I was little, my Winnie the Pooh when I was a baby, Little Miss makeup dolls and Penny Secrets, my Aristocats plushes, some Care Bears, oh, and my mum's Sherry doll from when she was little. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. And my favorite prized 3 Little Miss dolls, Little Miss Dress Up, Little Miss Magic Jewels, and Little Miss Magic Hair, and I think I love them because they look like me. I mean, come on. You have to admit. Then we have what makes this room my bedroom, my bed. I love my bed. I have a blanket of myself and a unicorn, obviously. And then I have the Powerpuff Girls to protect me from anyone who might come in and try to wake me up. And my newest Care Bear, Bedtime Bear from McW, which is so beautiful. My pillows and all my Care Bears from when I was a baby to bring me good dreams. I have a Hello Kitty backpack on this end and my Powerpuff Girls backpack from Kinder. And then I have my second bookcase because, you know, symmetry. It's nice, it's different, it's unusual, it's elegant. I have some more Disney Princess toddler dolls, the Powerpuff Girls, some more Little Miss dolls, which badly need a bath, but I haven't got around to doing it yet. Leave me alone, don't judge me, I have a life. Some of my Powerpuff Girls, which if you know me, you know I have literally one of the biggest Powerpuff Girl collections in the world. I may upload my childhood room tour if any of you want to see that. I mean, have a look at that. Gee whiz, it's hectic. Then I have some more Little Miss dolls, Little Miss Dress Up, Little Miss Magic Jewels again, and Little Miss Candy Stripes, who has the most beautiful, elegant hair in the world. I love elegance. Some Dora dolls, and my first ever Powerpuff Girl from when I was a little baby. Oh my god, still have her, still next to my bed. The queen, the absolute queen. Some big talking Powerpuff Girls from when I was little. My Little Miss Dolly Princess Surprise, not Little Miss, what the hell am I saying? Puppy Cat, My Little Pony, and some huge, fluffy bunnies because I have a thing for them, and I don't know why. Yeah. Then I have some of my artwork printed out, just little printings of the ones in the art gallery. I have a brand new inbox 1999 reissued Little Miss makeup, Topsy Tail, Tapsy, and the star of the show, darling, Little Miss Mermaid and her mermaid shell lamp. And then, oh my god, look what I found the other day, these little Powerpuff Girl coasters I made when I was 3 years old. How adorable are they? I just love them so much and I can't get rid of them, and Buttercup's so fat and it's perfect. Then I have some notebooks, some purses, some sunglasses. My hormones are in that elegant little bag up there now on top of my Sugar Thrills purse. Then I have the drawers obviously have my clothes in them. These are some of my favorite clothes that I have from Sugar Thrills. Then I have my t-shirts and just sort of everyday clothes, I guess you could say. More everyday clothes in this drawer anyway. And then the bottom one is just sort of like what you see is what you get. Got my bathers, got my jumpers, got my tracky ducks. Then everyone has seen my bag hanger hook. Oh my god. And my butterfly wings I wore to school on my last day of high school. My Powerpuff Girl purse from when I was little, a Hello Kitty purse, and my Smiggle fluffy ice cream purse with a Tinkerbell purse hanging off it. Oh my god, that was a lot. Oh. Then I have Wish Bear and Level Up Bear with some big blossom bows on. My mermaid seashell drink bottle. Miss Bianca and Bernard hiding because I do turn into quite a bit of a Madame Medusa when I get home late at night, darling. You wouldn't know. Oh, and these two shelves are also Barbie shelves, by the way. If you couldn't tell, you could tell. And then in here I have some computers and my Emily the Strange comics, which I've been rereading for some reason. And then last but not least, my hair extensions. And also there's a mirror and there's me. And yeah, that was my room tour. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what else. I mean, if you don't like it, back her off. I love my room. I love myself. And yeah, until next time, I love you all very much. You need to go watch some Scooby-Doo, so I'll see you all very soon.